India is home to approximately 10% of all recorded wildlife species on the planet. And the undisputed heart of India's wildlife, holding a legendary status as the tiger state of India, is Madhya Pradesh. I am visiting today one of the most spectacular and rewarding tiger reserve of India, Satpura Tiger Reserve. All visitors must cross this beautiful Denva river to start their safari. This is Madhya core zone of Satpura Tiger Reserve, a sprawling over 2000 square kilometer wilderness in Madhya Pradesh that serves as a masterclass in raw, uncrowned nature. Unlike its more famous sibling Kanha or Bandhavgarh, Satpura is for those who crave a deep, quiet connection with the forest. After completing the safari check-in formalities, the journey begins. As we cross this iconic entry gate, the footprints of nature and indigenous art welcomes us. This Madhya zone, named after the local village market at Sarangpur village at the bank of Denva river. The name of the jungle Satpura is derived from the Sanskrit word Sapta, which is seven, and Pura, which means mountain. Thus, Satpura translates to the seven mountains. While tigers roam this dense forest, they are notoriously shy. Instead, Satpura is famous for its other elusive stars like sloth bear, leopard, Indian giant squirrel, and Indian bison, which also called as a gaur. It didn't take long for the wilderness to reveal its scale. Emerging from bush is a titan, the Indian bison or gaur. As the largest bovine on earth, weighing in at a staggering 2,200 pounds, a true testament to the raw power of the Indian jungle. We push deeper, crossing lifelines of water where patrolling elephants take their morning bath, a rare intimate glimpse into their daily ritual. We are entering the Satpura range, a landscape each with over 10,000 years of human history. Its geography is a dramatic tapestry, rugged sandstone peaks and vertical scarps that plunges into deep emerald gorges of teak and sal forest. Established as a national park in 1981 and a tiger reserve by 2000, this is a sanctuary where time feels like it's standing still. Suddenly, the atmosphere shifts. Every vehicle is frozen. The sharp, rhythmic alarm call of somebody pierces the air. Our guide scans the thicket, perched atop the vehicle for a better vantage point. It looks like there are calls, but there is no symptoms or no movement. So, just keeping low. There are 3 vehicles here. They're just trying to assess where the call is coming from. But the forest keeps its secrets. The alarm fades, a false start. We move on towards a man-made catchment, a vital oasis that offers animals a reprieve from the dense, sweltering interior. As the sun dips, we leave the Denva river and Madhya get behind. No tiger today. But the ancient spirit of this forest has already left. minutes mark. Now we are heading for the morning safari at Chuna Zone via the Bhimkund entry gate. After a 2-hour transit and a short rest at resort, we prepare for the dawn. This looks like quite isolated zone or the entry gate, but looks like it's a nice zone to sight the tigers. And the news is yesterday also they sighted 4-5 different tigers. So hopefully today we'll get to see some of the tigers. Now it's almost 5:30 a.m. and we are starting now our tiger safari. Winter has arrived in Satpura. The air is biting and the dense canopy traps the morning chill. The dirt tracks are treacherous and raw, exactly how a safari should feel. As the first light bleeds over the horizon, we find a sign of hope. Call हुआ है? अच्छा. There was a call. But after a few minutes, there was no movement and other vehicles have moved on. However, our guide has observed something on the track. Fresh pug marks. The king was here. Morning light spread over the horizon and the visibility improves. The dusty road made me look like this, which I had no choice but to enjoy. We took a short stop by the Tava River. In the heat of summer, this bank is a magnet for tigers. Today, it's a quiet theater, but enough to enjoy the beautiful nature. A bunch of Sambadia paused their breakfast to watch us pass. We passed the crumbling ruins of an old village. Remnants of a community moved to give this land back to the wild, ensuring safety for both man and beast. The best sighting is just behind me. That's a beautiful sunrise.
देखो नीचे
I hope he dances along the road before taking flight. Eventually, it perched on a nearby tree, just as I hoped. But before I could frame the shot, it took flight. At the far end of this water body, an Indian peafowl rested quietly. We paused for a moment to capture a few shots. Look who has been spotted again. The beautiful bird Hoopy accompanied our journey for a while. But this time, I could capture a few shots. Then a radio crackles, a message from the bush. Our guide catches the word: a tiger has been spotted on the move. And then the forest held its breath. Emerging from the shadows, the tigress made her grand entrance. It was a vision of pure, unadulterated power. Her confident stride left no room for doubt. She is the undisputed queen of this domain. Against the backdrop of sun-drenched golden grass, her dark amber coat and charcoal strips were mesmerizing. Nature's perfect camouflage. She sauntered onto the path, paused for a fleeting heartbeats to acknowledge our presence. And then, as quickly as she appeared, she vanished back into the emerald depths. A mere 5 minutes encounter, yet a profound glimpse into the raw, ancient soul of the wild. The tiger isn't the only one who commands respect here. When a goer claims the path, you wait. No driver dares to challenge or startle them. The adrenaline begins to settle as we make a brief stop for a ritual of the Satpura safari, the bush breakfast. Every hotel and resort meticulously packs these morning meals. Enjoy the safari with the breakfast in the jungle. Now we are traveling back and we will reach the gate by almost 1 hour journey.